young boy, make it easy for you, no? Spell your name.
Grandfather, we can't spell my name.
Master God, yes, you can't spell your name. Father God, come for the boy, please. Just come for him. He think you can't spell your name.
Grandfather,
Eh?
a 3 weeks have me outside.
Just make it 4.
Grandfather, you're wicked.
I to all me see it as you wicked to yourself. Cause you can't spell your name.
I don't remember.
So me I want to remember for you. Turn there and wait, no turn there and wait.
Grandfather, go.
Oh God.
Never jot down me.
You not get nothing in ya until you spell your name. Who that, Jay? Come here, come here. Spell. Shut up! Shut up in ya! Shut up! Spell your name.
J
Yes?
A
Yes?
Grandfather,
Brilliant. Shut up! Mister, shut up! Brilliant boy.
Shut up.
Brilliant boy. Brilliant boy.
Grandfather, I can't ask you something.
Which question you want to ask me? Eh?
But don't lick me, I'm gonna ask you, but don't lick me.
Which question you want to ask me?
Spell your name.
Spell me name.
Subscribe.
Pull up inna the feeder, friend them a chop a money think like greener. Chop day and night, me nah ease up. Island good to work, me a work science. One of my brick them tall like giant. Funny text no, me a call one client.